Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, as you can see, we are going to unbox a package. So I have bought few more phones. So it today just arrived those phones. So I paid around $14 for these phones. Two of them are Nokia and two of them are Samsung. So all of them are dead actually. So I will try to fix them and let's see what we got. So these are nicely packed actually. So let's open. Okay, let's open the box and check we are okay. So here, as you can see here, we got all the phones. So what we got here, this is Samsung S2 and this is Nokia 620, and all three of and this is Samsung Grand 2, and this one don't have battery, but I need this one is quite good shape, so I bought this one too. So this phone is Samsung Grand 2. All of these phones has a problem with boot loop issue. That means you can't boot them, they are stuck on the display. So I don't get, so he didn't send me the batteries. So I didn't get the batteries, I don't know why, but I should get the batteries too. But anyway, I have to ask him again. So let me check we have anything else or not. So we don't have, but I think we have battery with this phone, but with others too we don't have batteries, and I need to find out. Let's check our Lumia 620. This one also has boot loop issue, but it's heavy. I think the battery is inside. But others too, I don't know why he didn't give me battery, but I need to contact him. So here we have the battery, but not the original one. So the phone is not in really good shape. The memory card is exposed and SIM card tray is showing, you can see. Let's try to boot the phone. I don't think I will be able to fix this phone. And let's check. All the buttons are, I think, gone already. So okay, let's put it back and try to fix this phone today, and others I will check later. So can I boot it or not? As far as I can see, it's not booting, but I saw that this phone was booting actually. Let's connect with my charger and check it boot or not. So connect, and this phone's actually, it's quite good, decent phone, very nice. And let's try to boot it. As you can see here, we got the logo of the Nokia, and it's showing it has no charger left. So that means we need to charge the battery and it may boot up. We don't know really it will boot up or not. Rather than that, this phone is actually quite good shape, but these two, I don't know why he didn't send the batteries, and I need to ask him again about this phone. So we got one micro SD card with this, which is 2 GB. So this is Samsung S2, which is from 2011, I think. So this one also has boot loop issue, but if I can't boot them, how I'm going to use them, I don't know. So let's try with the Nokia battery. I think I can boot them with the Nokia battery. I have so let's try to boot the Grand 2 with Nokia battery. as I can see here, the power button is not that in good shape, so I will not be able to boot this phone if I can't press the power button. I think the power button is smashed already, so I can't boot it, but later on I think I can do that. I need to fix the battery. So here we have the Nokia logo. So according to the seller, this phone has I think it has battery issue. Yeah, this thing is look like the battery issue as far as I can see. I don't know I will be able to fix this one or not, but I will try to fix all of them. So let's try. I don't know how to open this one. Okay, we open the whole. So I don't have the battery for this phone, but I do have others phone which I can use. So this is Nokia. I have unboxed this phone. I have showed you. So I think I can use this battery to boot this phone. Let's check this phone and try to boot this phone. Okay. Yeah, it vibrated. The phone is vibrated actually. So let's see if we can see anything or not. So the phone is working. So I paid around $3 for this phone, and it's in good shape, and every buttons are there and everything is there. So yeah, it's working. This phone is working. So that means one of them is working fine as far as I can see. So the display is quite good actually. It's Super AMOLED display, so it's quite good, and it has auto brightness. So let's check the camera. Camera is working or not. It got 8 megapixel camera. Hopefully, yeah, it's also working. So the camera is also working. Yes, as you can see. So let's check the front camera. I think it will work too. Okay, I have shut down the phone. Okay, this phone is working as far as I can see. Everything is there and everything looks fine. So this phone and Nokia N8 are nearly same phones, only there are little difference with the storage and the camera. Other things are same, but batteries are different. So that's the problem with these phones. Let's check with this phone and I can put it up with this battery or not. I think the battery is same. Let's check. It's really hard to open this phone. Okay. Not same actually, little different the battery. But anyway, let's try to boot this phone. I don't know which one is the power button. So down one is the power button. Yep, we got the power button here. So it should boot up. I think the battery is dead, so I need to charge it with, as you can see the phone is booting now. I think I need to charge this battery with the wire, and it's dead. I think that's it I can say. So from the 4 phones, 2 of them is working, and I can't check these phones because one of them has the power button is not good with this phone. So I need to disassemble this phone and check the phone's power button if I can fix it or not. And these phones I don't have battery, but according to the seller he should give me the battery, but okay, I have to ask him. And we don't have volume and volume down button here, so I need to find it too. So our Nokia phone is booting up. I don't think it will boot up because according to the seller the phone is stuck on boot logo. Actually what I can do, I can reset the phone, but in this way it's resetting this phone, it will be really difficult. Let's try to do it first. so I need to do it. Okay, power button, press the power button. I think after resetting this phone it will work. Let's check again. So we are not getting any. Okay, we got exclamatory sign. It's directly booted up to the. So that means I need to flash this phone, so I will do it off camera later on using Nokia recovery tool. I think it will work just fine. This phone will work fine, and the display is quite good actually. It's not that bad. It got a TFT display, but from the visual inspection the display is quite good. So that's two phones gone, but I cannot check these phones, and I don't know how I'm going to do that. I have to ask him. So I don't know which one of these actually from are positive and negative batteries. Let's check. Just I can put it or not. So we are not getting any sign of life. It's because I don't know which one is our positive and which one is negative. So later on I have to check these phones. So we got this phone is working, and I need to just recharge the battery properly, and I think I will do that. Let's check the battery, it has power or not. I don't think it has power, so our multimeter is there. So positive and negative. So it doesn't show any volt, that means it's dead, the battery is dead. Okay, the battery is dead, so I need to charge it up later on. And other than that, let's check this phone, it has any issue or not. It seems to be okay, no problem. Okay, this one should be negative. Okay, it's also fine. It should boot up with this phone actually, if it has no problem with the phone, as far as I know. Let's check it again. So it's not booting up. So later on I will check this phone. So that's it for today. I will update you I fixed this phone or not. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.